good morning, the sun says hello. Little friends gather, all ready to go. We wave and we giggle, we skip through the door. Together with friends, we can't wait for more. Swing up high and swing down low. Down the slide we gladly go. Bounce the ball and run and play. Playground fun, hooray! Hooray! In our classroom, side by side, we learn new things with joy and pride. Story time and counting too. Learning's fun when shared with you. We share our toys, we take our turn. Kindness is a gift we learn. Helping hands make good friends true. Sharing feels so good to do. The day is done, the sun goes low. It's time for friends to say hello. Goodbye. We hug